South Korea is a place where ancient traditions meet modern wonders. Imagine exploring ancient temples, indulging in mouth-watering street food, and vibing to the world's hottest K-pop hits. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a foodie, or a culture enthusiast, South Korea has something unforgettable waiting for you. I'm Mark from Travela, and today we're diving into everything you need to know before packing your bags for this vibrant and dynamic destination. From the best times to visit to the top things you absolutely can't miss, let's make sure you're fully prepared for your South Korean adventure. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our travel tips. Best time to visit South Korea. Let's start with the best time to visit. The ideal seasons are spring, April to June, and autumn, September to November. Spring is especially beautiful, with mild temperatures and cherry blossoms blooming all over the country. Cities look particularly magical during this time. Autumn is just as spectacular, with cool, crisp air and vibrant fall foliage. Perfect for outdoor activities, cultural festivals, and exploring the countryside. Summer can be pretty warm and crowded, so if you can avoid it, you might want to. And winter, while cold, offers great opportunities for winter sports and festivals, like the famous Ice Festival, where you can try ice fishing and see incredible ice sculptures. Getting to South Korea. Getting to South Korea is easy, especially if you're flying into one of the major cities like Seoul. Most international flights land at Incheon International Airport, which is one of the busiest and best-connected airports in the world, with flights from cities across Asia, North America, and Europe. Other airports in Busan and Jeju also offer international connections. If you're coming from nearby countries, you can even travel by ferry from Japan or China to ports like Busan, with regular services between these regions. Getting around South Korea. South Korea's transportation system is incredibly efficient and easy to navigate. Major cities, especially Seoul, have extensive subway systems that are affordable and feature signs in both Korean and English. There are also buses, high-speed KTX trains that connect cities and rural areas, and taxis that are readily available and relatively inexpensive. If you're traveling between cities, domestic flights are another option. Typical prices in South Korea. When it comes to budgeting for South Korea, here's what to expect. Hostels typically range from 15,000 to 30,000 KRW, about 11 to 22 USD, while budget hotels cost around 40,000 to 80,000 Korean won per night. Mid-range rooms are around 80,000 to 150,000 KRW, and luxury hotels start at 200,000 KRW per night. Street food is a must-try and generally costs between 1,000 and 5,000 KRW. A casual Korean meal will run you about 6,000 to 12,000 KRW, while a meal for two, like a Korean barbecue, can cost anywhere from 30,000 to 600,000 KRW, 60,000 Korean won. How to save money in South Korea. Visiting South Korea on a budget? No problem. Hostels are affordable, and accommodation apps like Airbnb or Agoda can help you find great deals. In the cities, you can even try staying in capsule hotels for a unique and budget-friendly experience. Street food and local markets are excellent for eating on the cheap, and convenience stores are perfect for grabbing snacks. Public transportation is easy to use, and if you plan to travel a lot by train, the KTX Rail Pass can save you money. Don't forget about the free attractions, like temples, parks, and cultural sites. You can also get a Discover Seoul Pass, which gives you access to public transportation and discounts or free entry to many attractions. Best things to do in South Korea. South Korea offers a range of experiences, from bustling cities to serene nature. Here are some top things to do. In Seoul, you can explore the 5 Grand Palaces, visit Bukchon Hanok Village to to see traditional Korean houses and head to Namsan Seoul Tower for panoramic views of the city, especially breathtaking at sunset. For an exciting experience, check out Lotte World, a massive entertainment complex with an indoor theme park, an outdoor amusement park called Jeju Island, and a shopping mall. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists. If you're a fan of markets, Seoul has plenty to offer. Join a food tour to sample local delicacies, or visit the Seoul Museum of Art for contemporary Korean and international art. Want some relaxation? Visit Han River Park for a peaceful picnic or rent a bike. If shopping is more your style, don't miss COEX Mall, Asia's largest underground shopping center with a stunning library. Jeju Island is another must-visit destination. Hike to the top of Hallasan, South Korea's highest peak, or relax on the beaches and explore the island's many caves and waterfalls. For a deeper understanding of Korea's history, take a DMZ tour, which will give you a glimpse into the tensions between North and South Korea. And of course, South Korea is all about food. Don't leave without trying a Korean barbecue, and be sure to sample as much street food as possible. Lastly, explore Busan, known for its cultural village and beautiful beaches. We hope you have an unforgettable time in South Korea. Stay Travela and enjoy your travels. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about travel tips, city guides, and adventure vlogs. Check out this playlist of my top travel videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.